Welcome to JH. If you have ever explored the world of trading or investing, you likely understand that selecting the proper platform is vital. This choice significantly impacts how you manage your assets and your potential for profit. One platform that stands out is Capital.com, which provides a variety of features suitable for both novices and seasoned professionals. In this guide, I will provide a detailed overview of what makes this tool unique, sharing my personal insights to help you decide if it fits your needs. Let's begin with the user experience. Capital.com excels here by offering an intuitive interface that avoids the clutter found on many other platforms. Instead of spending hours navigating complex menus, you will find a clean, organized layout that makes executing trades simple. Whether it is your first transaction or your 100th, the process remains smooth and efficient, which is why I highly recommend it for those just starting out. Reliable customer support is another critical factor that is often ignored. Having access to a competent team can be a lifesaver when you encounter technical issues or have questions about specific features. Capital.com provides excellent service, resolving account inquiries promptly. Additionally, they offer a helpful bonus to give you a head start on your journey, showing they truly value their users' initial experience. A standout feature is the demo account, which is essential for beginners. It allows you to practice in a simulated market using virtual funds, meaning you can explore the platform and track your performance without any financial risk. Beyond learning the basics, it is a perfect environment to test your trading strategies under real market conditions before committing actual capital. I always suggest starting here to build confidence and avoid expensive mistakes, as trading can be emotionally challenging. When you decide to register, take your time and do not rush. Use the demo account to understand how you react to market volatility. Successful trading is as much about emotional regulation as it is about smart decision-making. It is easy to get swept up in the excitement of a trending stock like Tesla, but jumping in without a plan is risky. Stay disciplined and let your experience build your confidence over time. Now, let's look at the platform itself. The interface is modern and highly functional. For instance, you can toggle between dark and light themes in the top left corner based on your preference. At the top of your screen, you can also choose between standard trading mode or a hedging mode, which allows opposite positions to stay open on the same market. Leverage is another powerful tool available, allowing you to control larger positions with less capital. While this can increase profits, it also raises the risk of loss, so it must be used cautiously. To manage this, Capital.com makes it easy to set stop-loss and take-profit levels. These tools automatically close your position at specific prices to either limit your losses or secure your gains, ensuring you stay in control of your risk management. Placing a trade is incredibly straightforward. After selecting your asset, be it a stock, currency pair, or commodity, you choose to buy or sell based on your market outlook. Enter your investment amount, set your leverage, and define your stop-loss and take-profit points. Once you review the details, execute the trade. Market orders fill immediately, while limit orders trigger when the asset hits your target price. This efficiency is vital for making quick decisions in a fast-moving market. Once active, monitor your trades in the portfolio section. Here, you can see entry prices, current values, and real-time P&L. You can adjust your exit levels or close positions with a single click. For those looking to improve, the platform provides detailed trade breakdowns, including exact entry and exit points. Analyzing these successes and failures is the best way to refine your skills over time. To keep you informed, live news feeds are integrated right next to your charts. This allows you to react instantly to events that might move asset prices. There is also an economic calendar detailing upcoming reports like GDP or interest rate decisions, helping you plan around potential volatility. Furthermore, the Capital.com mobile app for iOS and Android offers full desktop functionality, letting you trade, analyze, and manage funds while on the move. I have used the app frequently and found it to be responsive and smooth. Finally, the social trading feature lets you connect with and follow successful traders. You can even copy their moves, which serves as a great learning tool for newcomers. However, remember to eventually develop your own unique style rather than relying solely on others. In summary, Capital.com is a robust, feature-rich platform designed to help you succeed. Start with the demo account, build a solid foundation, And remember that trading is a long-term journey. Good luck on your path to success.